Design defect. A design defect is an inherent flaw in the intentional engineering or blueprint of a product that renders the entire line of goods unreasonably dangerous to users. In product liability law across the US, UK, Europe, and Australia, this concept is also referred to as a structural design fault or defective product specification. How does a design defect differ from an ordinary manufacturing mistake? In product liability, a manufacturing defect happens when a single item is assembled incorrectly on the factory floor, deviating from its intended design. In contrast, a design defect means the product was manufactured exactly as intended, but the underlying blueprint itself is fundamentally unsafe. To prove a design defect in court, plaintiffs typically rely on two legal standards. First, the consumer expectations test, asking if the product failed to perform as safely as an ordinary user would expect. Second, the risk utility test, evaluating whether the product's inherent danger outweighs its utility. Under the risk utility approach, a plaintiff must prove that a safer, cost-effective alternative design was practically feasible at the time of manufacture, but the company failed to use it. For example, consider an automobile manufacturer that designs a new SUV with its fuel tank placed unprotected directly behind the rear bumper. Every SUV rolls off the assembly line built perfectly according to the blueprint. However, during minor rear-end traffic accidents, the unprotected fuel tanks frequently rupture and explode into flames. Injured drivers sue the manufacturer under product liability law. In court, engineering experts demonstrate that placing the tank in front of the rear axle was a cheap, safer alternative design, proving the SUV suffered from a catastrophic design defect.